Guess what's in here? Exactly, another skin. A big one. Another a spray. Tissue. Alcohol. Just realized I cleaned the glossy side. We need an other side, this side. See how greasy this comes? We need to get all this off. Try again. Remember what Mr. Miyagi said? Grease on, grease off, grease on, grease off. So we just use 100% alcohol to clean that, plus the tissue. I know you can't feel that, but that's super clean. This is what we're going to use to apply the stencil. Let's go make the stencil. This now needs to be cut on half. Done. 2 sheets of stencil paper. Brown paper goes bin. I'm going to put this side in first, which means that paper also needs to go in this side first. Deepness 1. Now we cut this white section off, glue them together, tape them together. I always put white paper underneath so I can see better if I align them lines correctly or not. Now we cut off the stuff we don't need, like so. Let's put her to sleep. Wish me luck. Do you think it's gonna come out clean? I guess it's time to take it off now.